Doug Thompson here. Yesterday I was working with a friend of mine and he had one of these short little squares in an apron like this. It was always falling out. And he asked me, well, how do you do that? And I said, well, this is how I do it. So I made this little square out of cold rolled material. This is 1/4 inch cold rolled, 1/4 by 1/4. This is 1/8 by 3/8. And then I just TIG welded here and here. I didn't add any rod, just did what is called an autogenous weld. And I ended up using a 1, 2, 3 block to assist in fabrication to make sure that it's really square. You could use a piece of tubing, or if you had a really good square, like a stair square, then you could check for squareness. The other end of the square, I've ground in this shape right here so that I can pull this little square out, and the back end I use to clean out my gas nozzle as I'm working. So it kind of serves two purposes.